Hey, and welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly before we start, I want to let you know this video's not financial advice, and we're not financial advisors. So before investing any money, do your own research. That being said, let's get into the video. Would you want to fight the battles using your mind and tactics rather than guns? Well, gone are the days where you have to fight and get injured during battles because now you can make a decisive move to change everything. And Legends Reborn is a game that showcases this idea where players can battle and be a part of an age of change. There won't be any blood or weapons in the battles anymore. Rather, the right move at the right time with your mind would prove to be everything. But wait, what are we talking about in the first place? Well, you may already know that Legends Reborn has created a never ending storm in the gaming world. And the more important part is, it's a game that's been remarkably built by Gala Games, a project that's touching the sky. Legends Reborn is being considered the best version of the battle NFT supported and a play to earn game where players can use their mental powers to earn and win money. But wait for a second, what is Legends Reborn and what do you get while playing it? What's the gameplay, and how can you earn money and own land inside the game? Well, don't think too much because today you're going to know everything you need to know about Legends Reborn, the game you are waiting for. But before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon to watch more amazing videos about the crypto and gaming world. Let's get started with what is Legends Reborn. Legends Reborn is a play-to-earn game by Gala Games that is being developed with the help of the Kung Fu Factory. It's a game that looks more like old card games where players have to play cards and win, and well, that's it. But the truth is, it has a lot to reveal. Legends Reborn gets its name from the atmosphere and features that it offers to its players. It's a tactic based game where players have to create their own deck of cards to make the road to victory. And the deck is what becomes the main focus of the whole game because you have to make it in such a way that it could lead you to victory. Your cards are the weapons you need to win. Each card on your deck represents a monster or dragon, which means every card has its own power. In order to play with other players and battle against them, you have to keep those cards that have monsters with the higher power. You need to overpower your opponent, who's also holding their own deck of cards. The more you win, the more is your reward and more is your fame. Something that makes the game more like a battle is, if you win the game, the arena you're playing in becomes yours. You can actually win that arena besides the reward that can be NFTs or cards. Once you've won the arena, it belongs to you, which means you can offer it to organize more battles and earn money as rent. I mean, imagine you're traveling on your horse and you stop by a small town. You're a cowboy, and so you look like a cowboy. You walk into the town and enter a bar where you see an arena of people playing cards. It seems like a battle where monsters and dragons are involved. The one having the most powerful cards wins and thus gets a reward besides being famous. This is the feeling you get when you play Legends Reborn, but the fun doesn't end there. If you win the game by using extraordinary tactics, you can mark your name on the arena you're playing on. That means the moment you win the game is the moment you own land inside the game that can give you continuous rewards whenever players play on it. So, what do players actually have to do to play Legends Reborn? Since it's a card game, players have to focus more on their wits. They have to use their mental power to first build the most powerful deck of cards containing the fiercest monsters. You have to use your tactics in a place where you have to overpower your opponent's monster. You have to use the monster card from your deck that could do maximum damage while being at the safe side. Hence, the goal is to be the first mentally prepared and then build the deck of cards. You have to build before anyone else does so you can conquer before getting defeated. So, a simple rule: build or be killed. But how can you earn money and rewards from the game? Well, you're not limited to earning rewards by only following one or two options. Hence, you can earn money, rewards, NFTs, and even land in the game and increase your chances to make more money. The first option is to play cards and try to win so that you can get a reward at the end. That reward can be cards that are actually NFTs or any other asset. Plus, if the battle was big enough, your victory can give you the very arena you are battling on. In this way, it seems like the real battle where the conqueror can own the land he fights on and owns when he wins. The second method is to offer the arena to organize battles for other players. In this way, players may like to battle in the arena you've won, and thus you can earn some money that you can consider rent. In other words, win an arena and offer it for the battles and get a continuous flow of money. The third option is to offer the deck of your cards for rent. There may be various players playing the game, but it's not necessarily that everyone has the best deck of cards. Therefore, you can offer your deck of cards and earn money since another player is using your deck. It's like offering something on rent and getting a reward in exchange. No matter whether the player playing with your deck wins or loses, you get a reward anyway. The fourth option is to sell the arena or land that you own. The arena that you win or the land that you hold is actually NFTs that have value. You can either offer them for rent or sell them right away to get money anytime you want. Or perhaps you can hold them and wait until their value increases so that you can get more when you sell them out. The fifth option to earn money is to sell the monster cards you have. Every single card is an NFT, which means they hold real world value and can be sold as well. You can sell the cards either in the marketplace or your opponent may contact you to ask you to sell your card. Everything inside Legends Reborn holds value, so you can own and sell them later on whenever you want to. On one hand, you can play marvelously, use your signature tactics and have victory, and on the other hand, you can own various in game assets. The more you play and win, the more you earn. No matter whether you want to play with your friends or anyone across the globe in real time, Legends Reborn is going to be your favorite if you're a card game fan. But you have to pull out your deck of cards, place them on the table, and battle by choosing the right card. Each card has its own power, so you need to be careful not to use a powerful card at a time when it's not needed. Build your deck before it's too late, and make your move before you're defeated. No matter whether you love to play cards or not, the feel, the gameplay, you get what makes the experience quite premium and unique. Want to play the game? Well, let's get it launched and have your hands on it. Did you know that you could fight battles just by holding the deck of cards in your hand? Don't be shy. Go ahead, comment right below in the comment section. Would you want to at least try Legends Reborn once and have a feel of the atmosphere? We're sure you're going to fall in love with this classic but sensational card game. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon, and watch more interesting videos about the crypto world. Until next time, stay tuned.